In this video, we show you how to send and receive emails in Planfix. We also discuss internal, virtual, and external email addresses and how to use them. To maximize efficiency, the internal email addresses in Planfix automatically convert incoming emails into tasks. For example, each project in Planfix has its email address. When an email is sent to this address, it becomes a task in that project. Every team member has a personal email address in Planfix. Not only are emails sent to this address also turned into tasks, but the team member is automatically set as the task's assignee. Before we move on, it's important to note that Planfix automatically creates these internal addresses. This means there's no need to configure them manually. You can also add virtual email addresses in Planfix, such as a single address for the entire account. These are typically used to receive emails from customers. To ensure maximum convenience, you can choose which address appears as the sender when replying to a task, your email or a virtual company address. This is how the incoming email works in Planfix. Now let's take a look at outgoing emails. To send emails from Planfix, you first need to set up external email addresses for your company or employees. In the settings, choose your mail server and enter the sender's name and email address. Make sure to specify which team members are allowed to use this address. Next, click on Save and Test. If the connection is successful, Planfix will notify you. Keep in mind that before setting up this function, you need to ensure POP3 is enabled in your mail server's settings. You can repeat this process to set up an employee's external email, as it works just like setting up the company address. Now you've got a solid overview of how Planfix handles email. If you want to dive deeper into the process, check out the links in the video description. They'll take you straight to the corresponding articles in the Planfix Help Center.